Hey guys, what is up? We're out here fishing with the Cena brothers.
Hello.
John Cena has already caught a fish. I mean, we've already caught 5 fish right now. But, yeah, so you can tell it's a good day out here so far. So, yeah, we'll see you when we'll try and get some action out here. Yeah. Okay guys, we're going to release this nice little fish back into the wild. There he goes.
Freedom, Mr. Fish. There you go.
Hey guys, we've been fishing for how long, John?
About 2 hours.
Yeah, maybe. And we've caught some fish. We've actually lost quite a few of our sinkers though. So at the moment I'm using rocks. We're using some snapper leftovers from, well, this nice lady came up and she actually gave it to us. And so we're actually, oh, I just got a fish on right now. John, can you?
Okay, I'm recording.
I think. Yep. Yeah, I got something.
He's got something, guys.
Oh, it's spotty again.
Got another spotty.
Yes, it's a hook, a lip.
Nice job.
Yeah. Guys, John is on.
Oh boy. Yikes.
Is it a rock?
I think it's a rock, but I had
It's a nice bend in the rod.
No, it was a fish, but it's gotten caught on a rock.
Yeah, it's loose.
I still got the fish.
Do you?
Yeah. Are you recording?
Yeah, I'm recording.
Still got the fish. Here we go, guys. We got another one.
Oh, the camera's blurry as. Guys, he's got a fish.
Got another one. Sorry about the camera being blurry, guys. Don't know what happened there,
Yeah.
but something happened.
Okay, now we're going to release this amazing fish into the wild.
Yep.
Okay guys, we're going to release this magnificent fish back into the wild. As you can see, they've got massive teeth. You see those teeth? So
Look at those teeth.
we don't want to put our hands in there. He's got massive spines. So we don't want to grab him.
Like you got it.
Okay, yeah, just stop the video quickly.
Stop recording because this is taking too long.
Okay guys, we're going to release this beast into the wild again. Let go of the hook.
There we go, finally. Alright, let's continue fishing. Free it.
We're gonna, guys, John just caught another one. We're gonna free it now. The camera wasn't filming. So we're gonna release it now. Guys, there's a crab down here.
Oh my
taking
goodness.
a dead fish just down here. Do you guys see it? Can't tell if you can see that. I don't want to drop my phone. That's huge.
Do you want me to record?
Yes, record that. It's still recording. I gotta release this fish. Stop moving, bro. Oh, look, it's like prying it apart.
I know, it's like...
Well, thank you guys for watching.
Hey, thanks.
Yeah, so on the we've caught about 7 fish today.
Quite a lot, yep.
Yeah, so thank you guys for watching.
Thanks,
Please
guys.
subscribe. I'll put the Cena Brothers YouTube channel link down in the below.
Go check it out.
So you can go check it out. And thank you guys for watching.
Thank you, goodbye.
I got to you.